You are watching My Planet Earth series of talks, and this segment is numbered 16. And I'm going to talk about the Hawaiian volcano. Hawaii emerged from the sea millions of years ago, forged by the power of volcanoes. Over time, volcanoes have formed some of our most iconic landscapes. Today, Hawaiian Volcanoes National Park on the island of Hawaii is one of the few places in the world where visitors can come face to face with an active volcano. A truly unforgettable experience. Hawaii's main volcanoes are shield volcanoes, which produce lava flows that form gently sloping shield-like mountains. A good example is Maunaloa, the most massive mountain on earth, deceptively covering half of Hawaii island. Standing with this sleeping giant beneath your feet will give you a greater respect for Earth's ever-changing landscapes. There are currently 3 active volcanoes in Hawaii. On the island of Hawaii, you will find Maunaloa and Kilauea in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Maunaloa last erupted in 1984, and Kilauea has been continuously erupting since 1983. Loihi is located underwater off the southern coast of Hawaii Island. Erupting since 1996, this emerging seamount may eventually break the surface, adding a new island to the Hawaiian chain. So I've got an example of a video animation which describes what Hawaiian volcanoes all are about, and I'm going to roll that video animation.
The Hawaii type or broad shield volcano contains only little gas, and the lava is released in slow streams without gas explosions or release of burning ash.